You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this street that hosts a famous market in the first arrondissement of Paris, France. Famous street in Paris. For more names of famous places in Paris, make sure to stay tuned. Rue, which is French for street. Rue Montorgueil. I know it's not obvious. Montorgueil. Montorgueil. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly, here is how you can say it. Rue Montorgueil. Montorgueil. Rue Montorgueil, or in French, Rue Montorgueil. Rue Montorgueil. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.